na na na. Jah bless all the people. Yeah, man, smoke and peace. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Morning sun, rise pon the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain, when faith alone remain. Now the dawn break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see. Yo, chant of the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want lift love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street, morning sun, guide the feet. Elder preach, shoot them learn. All hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No fear, no shame, just glory in Jah name. Chant out in the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again. Wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Seeds of sky, seeds of sky. High above the mountain crest, seeds of sky find place to rest. Every cloud a fertile field, every drop of love reveal. Winds them carry soft and wide, seeds of sky on holy ride. Fall to earth so pure, so bright, born of day and kissed by night. Seeds of sky, seeds of sky. Farmer look and start to pray. Seeds of sky descend to today. Every leaf a blessing you. Seeds of hope in morning dew. No machine can make them grow. Seeds of love from Jah we know. Every petal tell the tale of truth that never fail. Poets see them drift and fall. Seeds of sky embrace us all. Every color paint the air. Seeds of peace beyond compare. No boundary, no divide. Seeds of mercy worldwide. Every bloom a hymn to grace. Seeds of skylight every place. Seeds of sky. Not every seeds of seeds pain. Every laughter pure and true. Seeds of sky renew the view. Even deserts start to bloom. Seeds of hope remove the gloom. Ever shining free and high. Seeds of sky will never die. Night descend but stars remain. Seeds of sky fall soft again. Every dream become a song. Seeds of Zion growing strong. Generation plant and learn. Seeds of light forever burn. Everlasting pure and grand. Seeds of sky bless the land. Fall, gentle rain. Wash away the world's pain. Rise, truth on high. Seeds of Zion never die. Than the seeds of sky. Seeds of the sky, pure and free, born of love and unity, never fading, always near. Seeds of faith remove the fear. Ever shining bold and high. Seeds of peace fill the sky. Sacred promise, bright and true. Seeds of Jah renew the view.
Ayayay, echoes meditation.
Reggae man, flow eternal, never old. Zion river shine like gold. Not of greed, not of lust. River carry Jah we trust. Babylon riches fade away. River of Zion air fi stay. Every drop a holy flame. River glorify Jah name. Children drink and mothers sing. River of gold the blessing bring. Elders bathe and heal the soul. River make the broken whole. No corruption, no deceit. River guide High above the mountain crest, seeds of sky find place to rest. Every cloud a fertile field, every drop a love revealed. Winds them carry soft and wide, seeds of sky on holy ride. Fall to earth so pure, so bright, born of day and kissed by night. Mama nama 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 bye, nama 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 bye, nama nama bye. Farmer look and start to pray, seeds of sky descend today. Every leaf a blessing new, seeds of hope in morning dew. No machine can make them grow, seeds of love from Jah we know. Every petal tell the tale of truth that never fails. Mama dama dama dama, my baba dama dama, my dama dama. Poets see them drift and fall, seeds of sky embrace us all. Every color paint the air, seeds of peace beyond compare. No boundary, no divide, seeds of mercy worldwide. Every bloom a hymn to grace, seeds of skylight every place. Baba daba daba daba, my baba daba daba, my baba daba. Child them dance beneath the rain, seeds of sky erase the pain. Every laughter pure and true, seeds of sky renew the view. Even deserts start to bloom, seeds of hope remove the gloom. Ever shining free and high, seeds of sky will never die. Baba daba daba daba, bye baba daba daba, bye daba daba. Night descend but stars remain, seeds of sky fall soft again. Every dream become a song, seeds of Zion growing strong. Generation plant and learn, seeds of light forever burn. Everlasting pure and grand, seeds of sky bless the land. Fall, fall, gentle rain, wash away the world's pain. Rise, rise, truth on high, seeds of Zion never die. Seeds of the sky, pure and free, born of love and unity, never fading, always near. Seeds of faith remove the fear, ever shining bold and high. Seeds of peace fill the sky, sacred promise bright and true. Seeds of Jah renew the view. Oh nine, oh yeah, oh, round and round, no end, no start. Circle of unity, join each heart, not divided, not apart. Circle of Jah holy heart. Babylon wall can't intervene. Circle of Zion pure and clean. Every hand a prophecy. Circle bond eternity. Children dance and youth proclaim. Circle of Jah holy name. Elders sing and clap the hand. Circle spread across the land. Not of hatred, not of fear. Babylon chain can't divide. Circle keep we unified. Generation join and sing. Circle of Zion blessing bring. From creation till today. Circle guide the holy way. Prophets chant and poets write. Circle shine in Jah light. Every nation bow and pray. Circle of Zion guide today. Not of silver, not of gold. Circle story long foretold. Everlasting, bold and true. Circle bind both me and you. Like the sun and like the moon. Circle shine a righteous tune. All creation testify. Circle of Jah never die. Eternal promise strong and free. Circle of unity, eternity. Round forever, pure and strong. Circle chant Jah song. Join, join, hand in hand. Circle cover all the land. Stand, stand, bold and free. Circle shine eternally. Yeah, circle of unity strong and true. Bind together me and you. Never ending, never fall. Circle of Zion bless them all. Forever shining, bold and free. Circle of unity, eternity.
Ayayay, Ganja, yeah, man.
Stone and sun, the ancient pair. Hold the wisdom in the air. Every shadow, every gleam. Carry truth inside the dream. Elders sit upon the rock. Listen to the time tick tock. Stone remember, sun reveal. Both combine to help we heal. Ah, mountains speak in morning tone. Sunlight crown the sacred stone. Every crop a path of flame. God by ages, not by name. Babylon gold soon decay. Stone and sun still light the way. Every heat and every shine make the truth align divine. Oh, 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 oh. Poet kneel from old to new. Light and earth renew the view. Oh. Morning breeze touch the land. Jah guidance in a me hand. The earth breathe, the rivers flow. Love and wisdom ever grow. Me see the people rise and stand, hand in hand across the land. The elders teach, the youth learn. Root vibration start to burn. Me chant for justice, me chant for peace. Every soul find release. No fear, no hate, no vanity. Only love and unity. From the mountains to the sea, just spirit set we free. Every chant, every song, carry blessings all day long. Me plant the seed, me water deep. In me heart, the roots keep. The rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Yeah, roots are waiting, rise again. Cleanse the world from Babylon pain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah love remain the same. Plant the love, spread the light. Guide the youth through the night. Me see the children dance and play. Hope return for the day. Elders laugh, the sun shine bright. Blessings flow from morning light. Every man, every woman free. In a harmony, the city streets, the countryside, roots vibration spread worldwide. Me chant for truth, me chant for right. Carry Jah power in a delight. Every hand join, every voice sing. Let the joy and freedom ring. Me see the sign, me hear the call. Jah love ever guide us all. No wall can break, no chain can hold. Truth and wisdom strong and bold. Yeah, roots awakening, rise again. Cleanse the world from Babylon pain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah love remain the same. Plant the love, spread the light. Guide the youth through the night. So keep the roots within your heart. Every day a brand new start. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Walked off the righteous, bold and true. Walk this path so narrow true. Guided light for me and you. Step by step we move along. Path of Zion keep us strong. Every stone a lesson learned. Every turn a fire burn. Babylon road lead astray. Path of truth the righteous way. Traveler carry heavy load. Find the light up on the road. Every mile a holy sign. Path of mercy still divine. Even when the night is long. Path of Zion keep them strong. Every crossroad choice is clear. Path of Jah forever near. Children walk with smile and song. Path of peace them all belong. Elders guide with wisdom old. Path of truth worth more than gold. Babylon gate may try to close. Path of Zion still it shows. Every journey, every land. Path is led by Jahan. Storm may rise and darkness fall. Path of truth outshine it all. Footsteps echo steady tone. Path of Zion lead us home. No corruption block the way. Path of light still shine today. never die. Generation one by one, walk the path until it done. From the sunrise till the night, path of Zion shining bright, everlasting, strong and pure. Path of truth shall still endure, righteous guide and holy flame. Path of Jah remain the same. Walk, walk, steady stride, path of Zion be the guide. Shine, shine, righteous way, path of truth forever stay. Path of the righteous, bold and true, guide the people, me and you. Never breaking, never fall. Path of Zion, bless us all. Forever shining, pure delight. Path of truth, keep Jah light. Ganja is the healthier man. River of love. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. River of mirrors wide and still, show the soul its inner will. Every ripple tell a tale, truth beneath the silver veil. Look within, not just around. River echoes sacred sound. From the sky the light descend, the river wash the soul again. Elder see the vision clear, river whisper in his ear. Every face reflect the time, every current come a rhyme. Babylon shadow fade away, river shine the brighter day. No illusion, no disguise, only clarity in eyes. Poet right beside the stream, river flow through every dream. Every stanza bright and new, mirror show what's always true. Every truth and every lie, wash beneath the open sky. River guide the lost to peace, flowing truth that never cease. Yeah. Farmer dip is on below, river teach the seeds to grow. Every drop a sacred sign of connection, pure divine. No more hunger, no more war, river heal the pain before. Every tide both fierce and free, carry voice of unity. Flow, flow, river wide, carry true and never hide. Shine, shine, calm and clear. River guide the soul sincere. River da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum. River of mirrors, calm and wide, show the world what live inside. Never fading, pure and true, river sing of me and you. Ever moving, bold and free, river hum eternity. Sacred water, endless tone, river of mirrors, light we hold. Ayayay, Ganja, and Zion reggae, your man.
awake in the valley of test. Just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm. Still my soul stay warm. No fear, no chain, no lie. Just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread your word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't trap the free. Jah dwell in me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame, stand in Jah name. Yeah. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade. Me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep from Zion, come the call. Lift up all. Me chant until my voice grow hoarse, but me stay on course. Ayayay. The youth them lost in vanity. Me bring clarity, them fed by social chain. Me wash them brain. Truth stronger than the gold. Forever bold. Me chant till dawn again. Free from pain. Lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate. When truth step in at the place, all false erase. Jah fire clean and bright. Turn wrong to right. Wait. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside we all answer the call.
Ayayay, ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Me hear the river call me name. Flow of love, eternal flame. From mountain peak to valley low. Jah blessings overflow. Every stream of ice of peace. Where hate and war must cease. Me walk beside the water clear. Feel Jah presence near. Every drop a story told. Of truth them can't control. The rhythm of the river beat. Guide me step, guide me feet. In harmony me find me place. Reflections of Jah grace. Me see me people gather round. Sweet Naya bingy sound. Hands join tight in one accord. Me give thanks to the Lord. No border, color, creed divide. We flow side by side. Every nation, every kind. One destiny, one mind. River of unity, flow and strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in just stream. Me see the youth them learn fi care. Me see the elders share. No vanity, no pride remain. just peace again. From the river me draw strength. Wisdom come at length, it teach me patience, teach me calm. Jah and me palm, even when the tide get rough. Love alone enough, me trust the current to carry me to Jah eternity. Me see reflection of me face, me see the human race, all connect one family tree. River of unity, flow, river flow. Let Jah love overflow. From Kingston town to Addis land, one creation hand in hand. No man greater, no man small. One Jah rule them all. Me chant the song for harmony. Jah love set we free. River of unity flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Just stream.
River Vada, River Vada, River Vada,
River of unity flow and strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Just stream.
River Vada, River Vada, River Vada, da 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 da. Ayayay, ayayay, ayayay. Kaya kushina de lung yaman. On the mountain, high and still, temple of wind, moved by will, no stone wall, no golden gate, only breeze where spirits wait, every whisper, soft and low, temple of wind begin to blow, every echo, free and wide, carry through the world can't hide. Lift his voice and pray. Temple of wind reply today. Every sound a sacred song, where heaven and earth belong. Babylon noise fade behind. Temple of wind clear the mind. Every breath a holy stream. Carry soul inside a dream. Traveler climb and close his eyes. Temple of wind within her eyes. No idol crown, no gem to see. Only breath of divinity. Every leaf a psalm unfold. Temple of wind, both young and old. Silent power, calm and deep. Temple God, the truth we keep. Poet writing gust and gale, temple of wind and veil the veil. Every word a current flow, temple of peace begin to grow. No wall, no door, no chain to bind. Temple live in every mind, free forever, wild and true. Temple of wind renew the view, morning rise and night retreat. Temple of wind make life complete. Every sound become a prayer. Temple breathe in sacred air, ever move spacious and grand, temple of wind across the land. Blow, blow, mighty breeze, carry soul beyond the seas. Rise, rise, high and free, temple of eternity, temple of wind unseen, untamed, called by no title, claim no name, spirit moving, bold and true, temple of life within you, forever flowing, never bound, temple of peace in every sound, sacred current, soft yet strong, temple of wind, sing Jah song.
Ayayay, from hills of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat echo through night. Guide the light. Me heart move to the tone. Me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. For a while, Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high. Reach the sky. Them try mute the sound, still it rebound. Me see the people wake, chains break, rasta heart no fade. Freedom made, echo run deep and strong. Jazz song, what? Echoes of Zion call the name, burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east, soul feast. Me sing till me voice run dry, still me try. Every chant me send, have no end. Zion echo call again, heal the pain. Me walk through the valley low, still me glow. Every rock me trod pan firm, me confirm. Zion spirit live inside, me guide. Echo reach from heart to ear, no fear. Me no silent, me no still. Jah will, when darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame, call Jah name. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Echoes of Zion call the name, burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Echoes of Zion never end. Guide with friend. Voice of Jah forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion call again. Free the chain, free the chain.